The key to seamless transactions on Grab is linking your preferred card. This simple process allows you to pay instantly for rides, food delivery, and more, all within one app. Let's get your credit or debit card set up on GrabPay in just a few quick steps. First, open your Grab app. Look for the finance icon at the bottom of your screen and tap on it. This is your main payment hub. Next, you need to access your settings. Find the small gear icon in the top right corner of the finance screen and tap it. From the settings menu, select all payment methods or a similar option to manage your cards. Now, tap on Add Methods, then choose Cards. You'll be prompted to enter your card details. Have your credit or debit card ready. Carefully key in the card number, the expiry date, your CVV, and the billing address associated with the card. Grab will then need to verify the card. Don't be surprised if you see a small temporary authorization charge, like $1 or a few ringgits, appear on your bank statement. This is purely for verification and will be automatically refunded. Once verification is complete, your card is successfully added. You can now select this card as your payment method for all your Grab services. Feel free to add more cards if you like. And that's it. You're all set for quicker, easier payments across the entire Grab ecosystem. Enjoy the convenience of a cashless experience.